Hi guys, welcome to Organic Facts. In this video, we will talk about the 4 powerful benefits of burdock root tea and how to make it in 3 simple steps. Burdock root tea is an herbal beverage that has a unique flavor. Burdock root tea has diuretic properties, meaning it helps stimulate sweating and urination. High potassium levels found in burdock root tea make it an excellent beverage for heart health. Drinking burdock root tea helps improve the health of the scalp and hair by eliminating dandruff. Burdock root tea has anti-inflammatory properties that aid in relieving headaches. Making burdock root tea is simple. All you need is burdock root strips, water, and a sweetener of your choice. Add burdock strips to a teapot and bring the water up to a boil in a stainless steel pot. Remove the water from heat and then pour into the teapot. Allow the mixture to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Pour the tea, add your favorite natural sweeteners, and enjoy the benefits of the tea. You should talk to your doctor before including burdock root tea in your diet, as you may experience side effects. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from Organic Facts.